Please like, share and subscribe to Doit Industries India Private Limited and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
Main tank installation. Zirconium beads 6 kilograms. Water 15 liters. Galvex 18-15 to 20 milliliters. Connect the mixing pipe with ball valve. Place motor impeller assembly on tank. Connect mixing tank output pipe to connector of suction blast gun. Connect compressed air line to the machine. Set air pressure regulator to 6. Connect motor to the machine by male-female connector. Start power supply and turn on the machine. Release mixing lever. Switch on machine. Wait 5 minutes for mixing process. Switch off the machine. Close mixing lever. Now the machine is ready to use. Main switch on. Turn on cabinet light. Working gloves for safety. Utilize a single pedal to control the release of compressed air, sand, and water from the suction blast gun. One pedal for water nozzle for cleaning purpose. Compressed air gun for dry cleaning purpose.